You would not believe me if I say Apple would hire freshers for software development role. Yeah, this is the career page of Apple, and here you can see this is a software developer engineer hiring for Hyderabad location, and you can scroll down to see the responsibilities, minimum qualification, preferred qualification. So let's see the minimum qualifications first. You need to have like 0 to 2 years of experience in developing and maintaining the code in Java, Python, C, C++, or SQL. And also you should be graduating in the year of 2025 or 2026. And the preferred qualification here is the experience with unit testing, debugging, and code reviews, and then the experience in contributing to agile ceremonies and understanding of agile workflows. So you can apply using this button. You can just click on this, and then you can just submit your resume here. So you just need to create an account in this Apple, and then you can proceed with your profile. So if you are looking for this link, you can find the link in the description or in the first comment.